Good Thursday morning. It is 7:10 when we are recording this, and we're looking at temperatures near 60 degrees still overnight tonight, although that won't be a sign that we're warming up. Despite this wind out of the south, we stay in the 60s throughout the day, largely thanks to all this cloud cover and chances for rain throughout the day. We'll keep showers into the forecast overnight tonight and even into tomorrow. Here's a look at radar. Again, right around 7:10. Over the last hour, we've seen showers largely in the eastern half of our viewing area. Some more shower activity starting to redevelop. And that's what I expect to see more of throughout the late morning and into the midday time frame. More of that shower activity kind of popping up. This is looking forward, again, right through midday, and we'll likely see that be the bulk of our rain through the middle part to early afternoon. And then that will linger into the evening hours, primarily for folks south of I-70. As we head into the overnight hours, we start to see somewhat of a drying trend after about 9 or 10 o'clock. We will keep that thunderstorm focus in throughout that time frame, but beyond that, we see a bit of a break before our next round coming during the early morning hours Friday. There's our next kind of push of chances for showers and storms. We'll likely hear a few more rumbles of thunder with this round coming in Friday morning, and then that will linger throughout the morning and into the midday hours, right around noon, before it scoots on out of here. Again, focusing more so on the northern half of our viewing area. But all this pushes away, and we're looking drier into Friday afternoon. Should be a great time to get out and about. We may even see some sunshine, but with anything that kind of pops up in this area here south of the warm front, what we call the warm sector, we'll have the potential for a stronger storm. We'll likely see the potential for some hail, maybe even some strong winds. Can't rule out a tornado with these, but again, it's looking unlikely as we're looking at a pretty capped environment. A future track not wanting to pop up much in the way of storms. It gets some stuff going off to the north, but again, we'll likely have to wait until this cold front rolls on through, and that's good news for us because the cold front rolls through during the overnight hours, meaning the instability present in the evening is going to be likely off to our west, and we'll miss out on that unless we get something to pop up during the evening hours and takes advantage of that. Otherwise, we're looking at diminished instability during the overnight hours as this thing's pushing through, and then that severe risk kind of fires up again off to our east. And that's what we see from the Storm Prediction Center here. We got, again, our level 2, our yellow, just eclipsing the viewing area with green extending back a little bit further towards the east, and then it picks up again off towards the east Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. So we are seeing kind of the same thing again where it just kind of moves through overnight and it's a relatively low risk. Maybe our better concern would be a potential for some flooding, but even that is low. But we'll start to pay more attention to that, especially over the next 7 days, as we're looking at maybe another 3 inches of rain in the forecast. Again, just about daily chances for rain, with the exception of Sunday. Sunday looking nice and dry, and maybe Saturday afternoon as well. But we pick up that next chance for rain with another system moving in on Monday.